D2L includes an attendance tool to help you track class attendance. And depending on your organization's settings, you may have to activate this tool. To do so, you simply click on Course Admin in your navigation bar, scroll down to Administration, and select Tools. Locate attendance in the table of tools that appears and ensure that under the status that this is selected to show a check mark. This shows that the tool has been activated. So once activated, attendance should now show up in your navigation bar. And when you select that, you will notice two tabs, Attendance Registers and Attendance Schemes. Attendance schemes are used to customize different attendance statuses beyond the default of present and absent. We won't cover that in today's tutorial. Instead, we are going to set up a new register to track attendance. Attendance registers track attendance for specific course activities, and these can include weekly, synchronous, in-class, or web sessions. So to set up our attendance register, we're going to click on the New Register button, and we're going to provide a name for our register. We could provide a description, but we're going to skip that today. One thing we are going to include is this cause for concern percentage, and what this field does is it sets up a threshold of attendance below which, if a student falls, the system will flag that student's attendance record, and so that you will recognize that they're not attending the expected number of sessions. And so you can set this to whatever percent you want and then communicate that to the students that you expect them to attend a certain percent of the sessions. We're going to set our webinar attendance to 80%. So any students that fall below that, it's going to flag and notify us. As well, we want to make sure that visibility is checked so that students can see the attendance register and track their own attendance. And then when we scroll down a little further, this is where we're going to add the actual sessions that we want to track attendance for. So we would just enter our session names in each of these spaces. Now, if we need to track more than 3 sessions, which the default is 3, if we need to track more than that, we can add the additional number of sessions that we need in this box. So you add the number of sessions and then you just click Add Session. It's going to force us to save, and then when we scroll back down, we'll see that we have additional spaces under which we can add 2 more additional sessions. So I'll just copy, paste, and update the week and click Save. Now, once you have saved your register, it now appears under the attendance registers. And beneath that, you can actually view attendance data once classes have begun and you've taken attendance. You can go back and edit the register if you feel like 80% is either not high enough or it's too high of an attendance expectation. You can change that and so on and so forth. And you can even delete the session as well. So there you have it. You now know how to set up your attendance tool and your register to track attendance at sessions.